welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys! So, as I said previously before in an earlier video that I'd be getting a special little toy. It is finally in, and so now I have Rick coming along with us so that we can go and try this out. But along with that, here are going to be some tips, as I have been doing lots of practice on this nice little toy now. So, let's get into it. So this nice new little toy is actually the DJI Avata, which is an FPV drone, which in another video I recently did, I described what the differences are between FPV and a regular drone. This is going to allow me to do a lot more cool maneuvers, and do me a lot more cool different things. And this is a new hot take tool that is out there for me to be able to do cool things with, and I'm just excited because it's a new tool to be able to use in my storytelling, and I just want to do more practice, and I want to do a lot more cool shots with it, especially when chasing motorcycles or cars or anything like that. So for the first tip, the real big thing that you're going to need to do is a lot of communication, which is exactly what Rick and I are going to be doing. So just whatever you do, be consistent. We'll just go down there. I'll follow you down there, and then I'll just follow you down the road. Just do your route. If I start to lose signal, I'll stop where I start to lose signal, type of thing. And then when you come back, I'll just catch you at that point. It may feel like it comes close. Ignore it. I will get out of the way of you. Once we get to our location for a nice clear road, which is the second tip, you want to find a good place where you know you're not really gonna be intrusive towards anyone, because this is something that can be going really fast, and you don't want to be hitting anything, any private property, any personal property for that matter, for destruction purposes. For the third and final tip, just do lots of practice, which is why I really haven't been making a lot of videos lately, because I've just been really busy with work, and that's just an excuse, but I really have been extremely busy with work. I was also trying to really hone in on my skills with this new tool. Now that I feel like I'm finally getting to that place, I feel like I'm finally able to really start showing you guys what we're able to do. So now I want to pick a really good location where I'm gonna get the most amount of range possible, which is probably gonna be right here. Let's go ahead and set up. Go ahead. So right now I am feeling a lot of wind, and I'm waiting for Rick to come back on through. Okay, I need to start coming back. I'm losing signal. And we just got to do this a couple times, but let's see if I can finally get a shot that I'm happy with. Oh man, that's so much more nerve-wracking. Oh my God, my heart is pounding right now. I'm not even doing that good, holy crap. Okay, Let's bring the drone back.
Did it break?
No. Just changing out my battery. Can we go slower this time? How fast were you going generally? Let's keep it 30, 35. If not, actually probably 25. Just so I can modulate just a little bit better. I could tell when you got up to full speed, you just started pulling away from me. I couldn't get fast enough. Go ahead. So with this, you really have to balance the angle of the camera, and also since I'm fighting the wind, that right there is also something I really have to take into consideration. So since I wasn't able to really get up close to him, I told him to slow down. Ooh, like that was starting to look good, but then I started to freak out. Come on. Come on, Rick, where are you at? And now I hear a car coming, so I will make sure I get off that side of the road. Watching out for the light poles. There we go. I think that should be pretty dang good now. Telling him we can stop. Well, I have no idea how it actually looks. So now that there's kind of the rough footage, let's go ahead and make a good edit, shall we? Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I have no idea what it looks like. I hope it came out good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's different. I know it's not my normal. I know this is my normal video, but I also just want to take this time to let you guys know of what's going to be coming up as well. I am currently making plans to be heading out to the Forgotten Angels camp out. So if you are heading on out there, write it down in the comments. Let me know. I would love to meet a lot of you guys. I'm super excited to be heading down there. It's for a lot of fun and for a really good cause. So if it's not quite on your itinerary, make sure it already is. And I'm very excited for it, and there will be a lot of content coming out of there. So guys, this is it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.